Okay, so now instead of doing a binomial times a binomial or a binomial times trinomial, we're doing a trinomial times a trinomial. Again, I still don't, or FOIL is useful, but only for binomial times binomial. So we have to refer back to the distributive property. We need to distribute every term here to every term in the other set of parentheses. So we're going to do 8x squared times 3x squared times negative 7x and times 6. We're going to do a positive 3x times 3x squared times negative 7x times positive 6. And we're going to do a positive 1 times 3x squared times negative 7x times 6. Okay, so notice how every single one of these is being multiplied by every single one of those terms. So doing that, 8x squared times 8x squared times 3x squared is 24. Now this is going to be x to the fourth, because remember when you multiply you add your exponents. And then we do 8x squared times negative 7x, that's going to be negative 56x cubed. And then we do 8x squared times 6, that's going to be a positive 48x squared. Then let's distribute the 3x. So we're going to do 3x times negative 7x. 3x times 3x squared, I haven't done that yet. So 3x times 3x squared is 9x cubed. And then we're going to do 3x times negative 7x, that's negative 21x squared. And then we have to do 3x times 6, that is 18x. And lastly, we have to distribute the 1 to all of those as well. So 1 times 3x is 3x squared, 1 times negative 7x is negative 7x, and 1 times 6 is 6. Now that looks really long, really complicated. I'm not going to lie, it's kind of long, but it's not the most complicated thing we've done or will do. So now, again, it's just a matter of combining like terms. So we have 24x to the fourth. Notice there's nothing else with an x to the fourth. And then we need to combine our x cubes. So there's a 56x cubed. There's a 9x cubed. So negative 56x cubed plus 9x cubed is negative 47. Oh, my board just froze. So that's going to be negative 47x cubed. And then we're going to have to combine 48x squared, 21, negative 21x squared, and then 3x squared. So 48x squared minus 21x squared is 27x squared. And then 27 plus 3 is 30x squared. And then we have our positive 18x and negative 7x. Let's combine those, and we're going to have 11x. And then positive 6 doesn't have a like term, so we just carry that down. So now we just created a 5-term polynomial with a leading, or with a degree of 4. Now make sure if you have questions on this, you go ahead and bring it in to class tomorrow.